guys, so as you can see from the title, I will be swatching and telling you my own opinions on these shadows from ColourPop. So I got this for $30, I believe it was on sale. It was either $25 or $30, and as you can tell, I got shimmers only and 2 mattes, and then I got 3 glitter shadows, and I am excited to swatch them for you guys. They are super pretty, super nice. I hope this video is helpful in any way, and let's get started. So the first shadow is On a Whimsy, and it's a silver one. This is my favorite one, and I'll go over them twice on some of them, and some of them I'll go over them once only. Then the second one is Backseat. It's this blue shadow. It's so pretty, so nice, great for the summer. Then the third shadow we have is Tea Garden. This is such a pretty shade. It has more of a pink and greenish color in it. It's just really nice. I really like it. Then the fourth one is Goody Two Shoes. It's so beautiful on the eyelids. Then the fifth one is Pinky Promise. Such a beautiful shade. And then we have Come and Get It. This one is one of my favorites. And then lastly we have Quantum Sleep, which is a deep rich blue shadow. So we have those. Then I'm gonna try on the matte colors. This red one is called Oh Ship, and their mattes don't perform as well as their pressed shadows, but I decided to give these two a try, and I really like Team Captain. And then the pressed glitter shadows, the first one is Indio. This one is super pretty, super nice. I believe it's perfect for any occasion, if you're gonna go out to a rave or any of that. Then the second one is my favorite one. This one is Fire, or Fiery, or however you say it. And then the third one is Renegade. I really like Fire though. That was my favorite one. So this is how they look, and I'm gonna go outside to get some natural sunlight so that you can see it as well. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully this was helpful in any way. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.